Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SFOR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where those red and green lines are coming from. But want to get things updated here, as it's still a pretty popular chart out there. And unfortunately, the bears just took another big bite out of it. So I don't know if there's bad news or what, but some updates here certainly need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just get rid of that line there. Sure, it still pertains, but in the spirit of not having a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update comes from just a very foundational level and rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So any sort of bounce to the upside, that the key overall level of resistance that, the sooner the price can get back up above, the better, is going to be that 008, just like I said. And this means a little bit more to those of you that did watch the video on Friday. That was an important level of support, but now that it's below it, that becomes an important area of resistance. Shorter term wise, though, before you even talk about and worry about, doing battle with 008 as resistance, the nearer term level of resistance would be right here. At that point, and that sits at 006 for those of you that watched level 2s today. I'm sure you noticed that whenever the price got right up around that 006 region, a couple times the price peaked its head up above there, but for the most part the price just kept getting rejected further and further. So that seems to be where the sellers are currently hanging out, down there at 006. And then in regards to levels of support, pretty straightforward, and that is down here at 0052 level. You can see on multiple occasions today, the bears try to press down through there, but to give some credit where credit's due, the bulls said, no, that's not going to happen. We're going to hold strong there. So as it stands right now, there are people that are finding value down at 0052 and buying. Now, I'm not saying, I'm not guaranteeing that, people are going to continue to find value down at that level, but as the chart currently tells us, there is value to be found down at 0052, which is creating that, support level for the price. So, that's a potential bounce point to play, but, if you're going to play bounce points and, downtrends like this, then, being able to honor stop losses and just being a disciplined trader is definitely a must. So we'll see what happens with it, but now the price is in that little smaller channel there, bottom of the channel, 0052, top of the channel up there at 006. So we'll see if we can get some sort of bounce or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.